Tip number 5 is that you can create templates in Phon to streamline the process of creating a new Phon session. Now, this tip is mostly useful when you find yourself creating the same type of session over and over again. For example, if you administer a particular probe many times, it would be helpful to create a template for it. An example would be having a probe for the Goldman-Frister test of articulation if you like to use the words produced from that test as a speech sample. I have templates for the Goldman-Fristo as well as many other independent, larger, more thorough probes that I like to use. Now, these templates can be created directly in Phon, just the way that you would create any session. You would create a record for each of the words in the probe by writing the orthography, generating the target. You would not have the actual transcription like that. You could have it be copied from the target to make it so that you just adjust this, or you could leave it blank if you would rather type in the actual completely yourself. Once you've created all of the records that correspond to the words in the probe, you can save it like you would any session and take this template that you've created and then copy it whenever you'd like to use it. First, let's look at how you can create these templates by importing them into Phon. Here I'm showing you a template for the Little Peep, a probe created by Dr. Jessica Barlow. You can create a template in the same way you would import any other session. So here I just have all of the IPA targets and IPA actuals filled out equivalently with what my target would be. And so what's especially nice about a template is I've already gone through and adjusted these transcriptions so they fit my general transcription conventions. The problem with generating targets in Phon is that they might not match what you would prefer to use as a target. So this allows you to tweak it just one time for all of these words. And after that, you can use it again and again without having to adjust them one at a time. So once I've created this, I can import it using the same procedures we've seen before, and we'll end up with something just like this. Now, here you can see where I have imported a number of different templates that I like to use. If we wanted to import a Little Peep template, I would just take the template and click and drag it wherever I would like a new session to be. And now it's no longer, this copy is no longer a template, so I'm going to name it something like this. And we have a template ready to go, and that saves us a whole bunch of time when we're transcribing the same probe repeatedly.